Okay, this is going to be a short video, and you do need to do this for the project, but it's not going to take you more than 5 minutes. So I've loaded a zipped file of new drone photos that I've taken all around our site, and we can actually place them here in GIS and then look at them in a 360-degree manner because I took them as panoramas. So this is a super useful feature, and the main purpose of doing this is to help you really study this site. The whole point of these first two projects, remember I said it's like an art student drawing from, classical sculpture. That's what you're doing here, okay? And so you really need to get into the site and see how things were put together, and this is going to be a great way to do that. All right, and it's super simple. So go to your analysis tab, click on tools. We want to add photos, so just type photos in here, okay, up in here. And then you're going to come to this photos, these two tools, and we want to do geotagged photos to points. Okay, so just double click on that. All right, now we do not want to include non-geotagged photos. Okay, that's super handy, so we don't have a lot of photos in there that don't know where they belong. Okay, now what we're going to do is simply navigate to our survey folder. Okay, so some of you may have to go to your username if you're using OneDrive and do all of that. But this is the folder that we want, the 00 survey. That's where when you download the new drone photos, unzip the file and dump them in here, dump all the photos in here. Okay, so just select this folder, all right, that's what you got down here, and click OK. All right, it's gonna make a new feature class and the name is fine, and just click run. Okay, boom. So all of these guys are now loaded. These points are where I stood when I took the photos. So let's take a look at this one first, okay? And the best way to do this is to simply right click on the photo and choose open in the 360 viewer. Okay, now at first it may seem a little, this isn't the best example, but you can see this was actually probably an actual 360 folder. Anyway, you can really get an idea of how this was all put together, okay? And I don't know if that spherical mode I used on that one was the best, but for other ones, I just did, like this one. This is just gonna be a straight panorama, so let's open that. Hopefully this one looks a little better. Okay, yeah, so now you get a great idea of how the front entrance was built, okay? And I was wrong about this being brick. This is actually stamped and colored concrete, okay? So all of these details are going to be important when we build our sheets. And again, the real point of this, and what I really want you to understand, is how professionals will put together a site like this, because this project had civil engineers, architects, interior designers, okay, and of course landscape architects. So you're going to be on that team, and it's really good to just see how all of the disciplines work really well together. In this case, this project really came out nice. Okay, so what I would recommend if you're using two monitors is to have this open on one, sorry about that music. I would recommend having this open on one monitor, and then on the other one, you can be doing your drawing in Civil 3D. Okay, so when we meet on Monday, get these guys loaded into your GIS project, and I'll just take a look at it on your screen, okay? And then don't forget to do a Control S. I think I have to get out of here. So just save that, and you're good to go. So that's it for this one.